In this video, I will show you how to fix Uber Eats not letting me add card. So if Uber Eats is not letting you add debit card or credit card or even your bank card, what you can do is you can head over right here to your Play Store or App Store and then search for Uber Eats. So from in there, you can click on this uninstall option right here and you can go and uninstall your Uber Eats. So from in there, you can also just reinstall it because this will actually make sure that your application gets rebooted to its factory settings and any glitches that has happened will not happen again. Alternatively, you can also go right here to your browser and search in here for Uber Eats down. You can see in here the down detector, and then from in there you can see in here, so if there's a big spike like this one, this means that there's a lot of reports for Uber Eats right now, which means that Uber Eats not letting you add card, maybe because of a system downtime error. So that's how you fix Uber Eats not letting me add card. Hope this video helped you out.